Sorry, we're not sure what happened there. It appears our transmission of Nature and Nurturing was interrupted. Why don't we go to a commercial and we'll solve this problem out. Once again, on behalf of the force, we would like to apologise for the interruption, and we will soon get back to your original programme. Hang on there. I'm being told that we're being joined by the Chairman, Vice Controller, Philip Brooks. Hello, Mr. Brooks. Thank you for joining us, Mr. Brooks. What do you think is causing...
Shut up! It's time we discuss these transmission interruptions. These are caused by that vigilante Signal, who stands for teenage expression. That's not what I stand for, that's not what the Force stands for, and that's not what the controller of media, the chairman, stands for. It's by his power and by his rule that nations, this whole democracy of media, I'm here to tell Signal right now that his digital youth movement will not stand.
It appears there's a traitor in the Force.
That's preposterous. The Force is a strong unit. Every soldier fighting for one cause.
No, actually, I believe there is.
One more time. And what makes you suggest this?
Because it was me. I pledge my allegiance to digital youth. One
Shut him
movement
up!
under
Shut him
Signal,
up! Cut the
freedom
damn
and
feed!
expression
Cut
to
it
all.
now!